This is the FFR Trading Market Minute, and again, it's the SPY on a daily candlestick chart here, and sound like a broken record. I know we're still chopping in this range here, and you can see today, this is Thursday, we sold off below the 20-period moving average. We've pulled back up to it, and that's kind of what's happening. We're getting a little, away from the 20-period, coming back to it, getting away to the downside, back to it. It's just kind of chopping in this range. If you look overall here, you can kind of see this is kind of like it's starting to roll over here. We've got a series of lower highs, very subtle, and lower lows, extremely subtle, right? This low is just slightly lower than this low, and this low is just slightly lower than that low. But we've got lower highs and lower lows here. So, and again, bigger picture, when I pull up that monthly chart, I don't like what I see here in terms of price making new highs and the oscillator, right, making lower highs, right, just like we did back here, and this was the result of that, right? So I'm leaning to the downside. We still have an upside target, and so we could hit this upside target, which is at 700, and still be more bearish on that monthly chart than bullish in terms of buyers losing steam up here. All right, and so we'll see how this plays out. Again, it'll break one way or the other. Like I said, I'm leaning to the downside, but the point being is, if you're long the market, you got to protect your stuff, right? In case we do see a 20 or 30% drop here. Economic data set for next week. Monday kicks it off, 10 a.m., ISM Manufacturing PMI. Wednesday's ADP Employment Change at 8:15 and ISM Services PMI at 10. And Friday, we've got average hourly earnings and the big non-farm payrolls report. Hope that helps. Have a great rest of your trading week. We'll see you back next week in the FFR Trading Market Minute.